Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for making cupcakes and other things for baking. As in the previous video I showed you how to make a chocolate and nut muffin, so now I'm going to be showing you how to make a white chocolate and yogurt cake in this recipe tutorial. First things first, what you have to do is whisk 3 eggs, cracked like this, in a large mixing bowl. And then also add 150 grams of caster sugar, and then with your hand whisk it in a large mixing bowl. Then, once it has been whisked, then stir in with the yogurt and sunflower oil. This is 250 grams of plain yogurt. That goes in along with the ingredients that has been whisked. Now add 300 milliliters of sunflower oil. And then, after you whisk that egg and sugar, just stir the wet ingredients with the spoon to avoid over mixing. You don't want to over mix it at this stage. Next, that we have to do is to have a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. The others that will be added is 100 grams of corn flour and 125 grams of plain flour. That goes. That has to be sifted on top of the wet ingredients that we just did. First off, with the flowers and the others that you seated in, just stir it in, ensuring there aren't any lumps coming from the flowers, either corn flour or plain flour. Just stir it in until it looks like a cake mixture. Once the lumps don't appear anymore, you can add some white chocolate, 125 grams, which is roughly chopped. Add the chocolate into the mixture, then stir it. Once you mix the white chocolate in there, you gotta put this in a loaf tin. You can make one cake or two cakes if you have this tin like this. So you go put it in the oven for 45 minutes until the skewer comes out clean. So pause the video now. Well, the yogurt cake is going to be risen. So until then, see you until it is done. Oh wow, look at these cakes I've shown you today. So if you have made these, don't forget to mention how many of these cakes that you have made. And don't forget, this is a recipe tutorial for cakes and other baking purposes. So if you like this tutorial, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also comment down what other recipes you would like to feature in this channel. So I hope you made this recipe at home for the next video. Bye.